Good day. Let's begin our meditation practice today in a posture called Sukhasana. Sukhasana is a yoga posture and it translates into easy cross-legged pose. Sukha means to be at ease and asana means to have a seat. So please come onto the ground, grab a meditation cushion or a block, place it underneath your seat, and sit to the very edge of it. Then just allow for your body to settle into this shape, feeling that your seat is grounded and heavy, and that your weight of the seat is in the very center of your sit bones, so that you're not tipping forward of the sit bones. Neither are you weighted to the back of the sit bones, but the very center. So you can move your spine forward and back, rocking the hips a little bit with the spine to see and feel where your center is. Once you have positioned the weight in the center of your seat, you perhaps find that there's a little bit more ease in your lower back and less pressure on your ankles from the weight of your torso. From this weight in the center of your seat, you may also notice that your spine lengthens effortlessly upwards. Just take a moment here. Take a moment to soften into this posture by using your breath. Inhale deeply and exhale fully. Just a couple more breaths like that. Inhaling and exhaling, settling and softening into the pose. Now that you've settled a little bit, let's start to relax our body. So you find the base of your body where the knees and thighs and your seat meet the floor. This is your foundation. From the foundation, the spine lengthens effortlessly up. The shoulders begin to drop, and the arms just relax by your sides. The hands can face up or face down on the legs. Take another breath in and exhale once again. Placing now your head or your ears so that they're above your shoulders. Lengthen into the back of the neck, letting your chin drop down just slightly, barely noticeable amount, so that the back of your neck lengthens. Now that you're found the alignment of Sukhasana, let's begin to relax into our bodies. Begin to feel an ease and relaxation within your breath. Go to somewhere in your body where the breath feels at ease, where the breath is gentle and smooth and easy. And then just rest your awareness there for a moment, feeling that or reveling in that sensation of ease and comfort. To be at peace with yourself. So let that go now. And we'll do body relaxation to create a sense of ease within the body so that we can settle in a state of relaxation and sukha. So bring your awareness to the top of your head and just begin to relax the skin of your scalp. Let go of any holdings, intentionally softening the skin of the scalp. Imagining that your hair follicles are now becoming open and receptive to receiving oxygen. And just relaxing the skin of the scalp. Moving to the forehead, softening any tension within the forehead. And let the skin of the forehead become spacious and wide, all the way to the temples. The space of the forehead to the temples. Let the skin feel at ease, becoming spacious and wide. Space between the eyebrows, center of the forehead, expansive and open. Finding some ease here. The eyes are gently closed. The upper eyelids meeting the lower eyelid. The creases of the eyes are slightly smiling. The temples are relaxed. The jaw is soft. The cheeks free of tension. The nose free to breathe. And the lips gently smiling, barely noticeable smile. Front of the neck is soft, free of tension. The shoulders are free of tension and relaxed. The arm bones feel heavy and relaxed. The hands simply resting. You are feeling relaxed and settled in your seat. The chest is open yet relaxed. The belly is relaxed and free to move with the breath. The pelvis is grounded and supportive foundation, free of tension. whole back body is supporting, and it is also at ease. The back of the neck is relaxed. Base of the skull is at ease. And top of the head, the scalp, is free of tension. Go to the space in your body that feels most at ease now, most relaxed. Which most represents the word sukha, which means ease and comfort and happy. And stay there for a moment. Discovering for yourself that comfort does not rest in things outside of you. You can find comfort and ease within yourself. Whenever you feel or sense that your body is becoming tense, just simply go to the area that feels tense and relax that body part. Let that go now. Begin to sense your breath and notice where the breath feels at most ease, whether this place is within your abdomen, chest, nostrils, or throat. Doesn't really matter. But just go somewhere where it feels easy to breathe. And just sit with this presence of comfort. Comfort that you find within yourself. If at any point you begin to feel more tense or not relaxed, then go through your body, scanning it again and relaxing any part of the body that is beginning to tense up. The easiest places to tense up are in the shoulders or belly or jaw. Wherever that may be for you, just go to those places and just softening, relaxing, and settling back into your posture of comfort. Now that you're in your space of comfort, know that you can come to this space at any time by simply relaxing your body and having the intention to find ease and rest and relaxation. And that you do not need to run to things outside of you to get comfort. It's all right here at any moment, available for you to access. Now, to conclude our meditation, please bring your hands together and just simply say to yourself,